So here in this problem, we need to find out the coordinate of a point Q such that it's located on the line joining the origin and point P, and also the distance OP and OQ are equal. We'll try to understand the problem graphically with the help of a coordinate system. So here we have a Cartesian plane with the x and the y axis. So let's first try to plot the point -3, 2. So it's going to lie on the second quadrant. So this is point P with coordinate -3, 2, such that we have the origin O, and now we have to find out a point Q which lies on the line joining O and P. So this is a line. So if we extend it, the point Q, let's say it's going to lie somewhere here, and let's call its coordinate as x, y. We need to find out the coordinate of that particular point Q such that this length OP is exactly equals to OQ. Now here we don't have to worry too much because we know that clearly the point O, which is the origin, O is the midpoint of point P and Q. And since it's the midpoint, that means we know that using the midpoint formula, all we have to do is add the x coordinate, so x plus -3. So we are adding the coordinates of the endpoint of Q as well as P. So x added to -3 divided by 2, and we add the coordinates, the y coordinate, so that's y plus 2 and divided by 2. So this coordinate is going to be exactly equivalent to the coordinate of the center. So that means if we equate it, we get x minus 3 over 2, that will be equals to 0. And if we equate y plus 2 over 2 equals to 0, that we get the value of y. So x comes out to be equals to 3 and y comes out to be equals to -2. So that means 3, -2, that's going to be the coordinate of point Q. So we have 3, -2, so that's option C.